The OPPO Find X9 Pro is shaping up to be a bold contender in the premium smartphone market, combining powerful performance with a sleek, durable design. It features a 6.78-inch flat LTPO OLED display with a sharp 1.5K resolution, ultra-thin bezels, and under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensing for quick and secure unlocking. Powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, delivering top-tier performance, complemented by a massive 7,500 mAh battery with 80W wired and 50W wireless charging support. The phone boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. Photography is a highlight, with a triple camera setup, a 200MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 50MP main sensor, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera, while the front camera offers 50MP with autofocus. The build combines Gorilla Glass Victus 2, an aluminum frame, and optional glass or fiberglass backs, giving it both elegance and durability. Overall, the Find X9 Pro delivers impressive battery life, flagship-level performance, versatile cameras, and premium build quality, positioning it as a serious competitor among top-tier smartphones.